Hey everyone, it's Rulon Brown, and I'm here in my studio and I have something very special to share with you. This is one of 4 Morgan Mouthpiece Company's Bari sax prototypes. It's based on the Gregory mouthpiece that was made famous by Jerry Mulligan. He used to play on a Gregory Bari sax mouthpiece, and then Gregory went out of business. Well, Morgan Mouthpiece Company was able to get a hold of those old vintage molds that were used to create the Gregory mouthpiece. And now their craftsmen are kind of putting their special sauce on this classic. So to celebrate and show and kind of demo this, this beautiful mouthpiece from Morgan Mouthpieces, I'm going to play a little bit of Jerry Mulligan, one of the classic tunes, Jeru. Let's see if we can give you a sample of this flavor here. Let me try that again. You hear that flavor and that sound? Really dark, rich, that kind of classic Bari soloist sound. It's gorgeous. Beautiful articulation on this mouthpiece. They've cut the beak of this mouthpiece by hand and given it a real nice, beautiful kind of streamlined feel in the mouth. It tunes beautifully across the whole horn. It honks out the low notes that you'd want on a Bari beautifully. You can also get those nice subtones. Anyway, if you want a classic Bari sax sound, you've got to check this out. This is an amazing mouthpiece. I'm demoing this on a very cheap Chinese-made Bari sax in the modern style. But this horn, this mouthpiece, if you had an old Busher or a Kahn from the 30s or the 40s, I mean, that's ideal. I mean, this would work amazing on this this sort of setup. But I'm using a Royal 3.5 reed, just a standard Royal 3.5 on this Morgan Mouthpieces Bari Sax 6. And I look forward to trying more of them. So check it out at morganmouthpieces.com. I think they're taking pre-orders soon. So Morgan Mouthpiece Company, I think it is. You'll find them. Google Morgan Mouthpieces. You'll find it. Thanks, everybody. Bye.